In this video, I will show you how to pay Uber Eats with PayPal. So in order to pay Uber Eats, what we can do is we can head over first and then add in here something that we want to purchase. For example, choose in here this Taco Bell and then just choose your order and then just add it to cart. You can add another one if you would like to. Now, once you're done ordering or adding everything to your cart, the second is view cart option. And then you can see in here a summary of that. So click on this continue option. And then in here you can see your payment options. Click on this add payment method and then click on this PayPal onto this list. Now once you have done that, this will redirect you to the paypal.com website wherein you just need to log in your email and your number. And then once you have logged in, you should be able to use it directly with Uber Eats. So that's how you pay Uber Eats with PayPal. I hope this video helped you out.